So you're sitting bored at home and you'd like to play some music, but you have no instruments to play with. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can make a musical instrument at home using just the things you can find in your kitchen, okay? So for this, you're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need a spoon. You're going to need a couple of glasses, not plastic cups, glasses. You'll need about 3 or 4 of them to start with, but you can get way more. So you need a glass. You'll need some water, and finally, you'll need some food coloring or dye. I recommend 3 colors. You could use red, yellow, and blue, okay? So first of all, you're gonna start by taking your glass of water and filling it up, okay? Fill up each of your glasses, but don't fill them up with the same level of water. Put a whole bunch in one glass and only put a little in another. Why? I'm going to show you why. Once you've got your glasses filled up, put them beside each other. Doesn't matter the order, okay? You'll notice I've got my glasses filled with different levels. This is important because the more water you put in, the deeper the sound. But the less water you put in, the higher the sound. And in the end, what you'll get is something that sounds like this. Isn't that cool? It's a scale. At least that's what I've created. But you can do whatever you want. If you want the notes to sound close together like mine, that's great. But if you want your notes to sound far apart and funky, you can do that too. Experiment, try different levels. See what you get. Another fun thing to do is adding the dye, okay? So you'll notice I've already put some dye into my water. I've got a yellow one, a red one, and a blue one. How do you do this? That's pretty easy. So you're gonna grab some dye and probably an adult to help you with this. Otherwise you'll get yellow hands, kind of like what I did. Remember, never drink yellow water. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take just a drop or 2. I'm gonna do 2. And then you're gonna get your spoon, which doubles as a nice drumstick, by the way, and you're gonna stir. And look at that. Now, my water is yellow, okay? Now, you can also have a little bit of fun with this. What happens if you take a different dye and put it in there? Let's mix colors. So I'm gonna take some blue, and I'm gonna see what happens when I put some blue into my yellow, okay? So once again, make sure you ask help from an adult. So you're gonna take 1 drop, maybe 2, for good luck. And we're gonna stir it, and what color do we get? We get green. So look at that. Now, I have 4 colors. But you can try mixing different colors. You could try to see what happens if you put red and yellow together. Or you could see what happens if we mix red and blue. It's all up to you. You can get as creative as you want. So now, not only do I have a xylophone, but I have a colorful xylophone. Now, another thing that you could do, now that you have colors, get some markers or some crayons or some pencil crayons, and you can write your own music. You can do whatever you'd like with it. It could be a song that you've heard off the radio. It could be a song that you heard in a TV show, or you can even write your own song, your own original piece of music. Let me show you something that you can play. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. So get out there and get creative. Look in your kitchen, see what things you find, and you never know what music you can make today. Hope you enjoyed this suggestion. Stay safe, everybody, and have fun.